Hey guys, wanna know how to change your password in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 opened, and once you're there, on the top left you can see the small hamburger icon. Just simply click on it, and then select your account that is located on the top right here. And here once you've selected it, now on the top right again you can see these three dots. Simply click on it, and then there are two options to change your master password or investor password. Choose anyone that you like, and now just select your current master password and then type in your new master password. And after that is done, just simply select on right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. After that, your password will be changed just like that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.